Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss a topic that can have devastating consequences on a relationship: cheating. Cheating not only breaks the trust between partners, but also creates feelings of hurt, anger, and betrayal. It can also lead to a breakdown in communication and a loss of intimacy. With the rise of social media, cheating has become easier than ever. It's estimated that 20% of married couples have experienced infidelity, and 70% of relationships that experience infidelity end in divorce. The consequences of cheating go beyond just the relationship. It can also have a significant impact on one's mental and emotional well-being. The betrayed partner may experience feelings of low self-worth, anxiety, and depression. The aftermath of infidelity can also lead to a breakdown in trust and communication, making it difficult for the relationship to recover. It takes time, effort, and patience to rebuild what was once a strong and loving bond. Seeking professional help can be beneficial in understanding the root cause of the infidelity and working towards preventing it from happening again. It can also help the couple rebuild trust and communication. However, sometimes the damage is too deep, and the relationship may not be salvageable. In such cases, it's important for both parties to prioritize their well-being and make the difficult decision to end the relationship. Cheating may seem like an easy way out, but the consequences can be destructive and long-lasting. Remember, communication, trust, and commitment are the foundations of a healthy relationship. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more relationship advice. Bye.